Welcome to Information Technology and Accounting with Victor Hernandez, the podcast where we explore the dynamic intersection of information technology and accounting. I am your host, Victor Hernandez, and I am here to unravel the mysteries of how technology is revolutionizing the world of accounting and how accountants can leverage these innovations to make better financial decisions. Join me on this exciting journey as we talk about experts, professionals, and thought leaders in the fields of information technology and accounting. We will explore cutting edge technologies and discuss best practices. Whether you're a seasoned accountant looking to stay ahead of the curve or someone just starting their career in accounting, this podcast is for you. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of information technology and accounting and embark on a journey towards financial excellence, stay tuned. We've got an incredible episode coming your way designed to inspire, educate, and empower you to excel in the world of accounting through technology. Don't miss out on this exciting adventure. Let's embrace the digital transformation together and redefine the future of accounting. Thanks for joining us on Information Technology and Accounting with Victor Hernandez. Remember, the world of finance is changing, and we're here to make sure you're prepared. Let's dive in. So, technology plays a crucial role in the accounting industry and enables organizations to remain flexible and satisfy clients' expectations. As accountants spend less time on manual tasks, integrating digital solutions can increase productivity, accuracy, and efficiency. Over the last decade, noteworthy progress in accounting information technology has constructed prospects for accountants to alter their focus away from difficult manual duties and toward data analysis, tax regulation, and projecting understandings. Finding the correct software among a sea of technological options can be difficult. When integrating a technology, factors to consider include the issue the software will solve, how to integrate it with existing software, and the software security and functionality. Making the proper technology choice is key choice that can have a significant impact on the organization. As Mary Sagadol explains in her AICPA article titled How CPAs Are Leveraging Technology to Improve Efficiency, which software you choose will depend on your budget, the size of your firm, the problem you're trying to solve, and how much time you can commit to learning the software. Thus, this change has opened the door to greater operational effectiveness, smooth compliance, and the development of deeper customer relationships. Today's accountants need to be knowledgeable about not only the most recent tax laws, but also how to use accounting technology to increase productivity, efficiency, and accuracy. Accountants used to spend a lot of time manually inputting data and looking for information. The accounting sector has transformed because of modern technology. Younger employees are curious about how accounting will be automated and whether they will eventually be replaced by technology. As the Thomson Reuters article titled Why Information Technology is Important to Accountants states, trends like cloud computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence have made it possible to visualize and interpret data from data lakes in real time and automate repetitive tasks. To provide clients with proactive guidance and assume an advice giving service business format that decreases seasonality and extended work periods, accounts can begin to shift their attention towards cultivating stronger relationships with their clients by leveraging information technology to automate and optimize an organization's accounting processes. In today's intricate and unpredictable landscape, numerous customers are looking for more than a simple tax accountant. They pursue a technical affiliate that can provide direction and aid as they expand their company. So it is essential for accounting organizations to impress their clients by using the most recent developments in accounting information technology. Organizations can provide their clients with valuable information and strategic insights in advance thanks to accounting information technology. By utilizing integrated accounting technology, accountants can set up their business as a reliable partner that provides year-round support to clients, offering services such as report delivery, updates on legal and regulatory changes, and reminders for estimated tax payments. What are the advantages of integrating accounting information technology? Imagine this scenario. Your team collaborates seamlessly without version control issues. Data effortlessly flows between various platforms, and your clients gain valuable insights for informed decision making, resulting in increased billable of value-added work. All of this while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Although it may sound like something unattainable, these are the tangible benefits of embracing accounting information technology. To start reaping these rewards, it is essential to assess your firm's current position and determine where you aspire to be. In the world of business, change remains the one constant that cannot be escaped, mirroring the ever shifting landscape of life itself. Whether it's grappling with unprecedented disruptions or embracing novel operational paradigms, professionals across all sectors must confront substantial transformations, many of which are propelled by emerging technologies. The realm of accounting is no different. It has transcended its traditional role of basic record keeping and payroll management, and in synergy with procurement has assumed an increasingly strategic position within progressive enterprises. While some critics may envision a bleak future for accounting in the digital age that lies ahead, the reality is quite the opposite. Technologies like cloud based data management, process automation, and advanced analytics are poised to empower accountants in fresh and innovative ways, enabling them to play an even more influential role. The first emergence of technologies in the accounting field brought some uncertainties to the profession. As Michael Higgins wrote in his Forbes article titled "The Future of Accounting: How will digital transformation impact accountants?" As states, as far back as 2015, industry leaders were sounding the death knell for accountants, convinced emerging technologies, particularly automation, would end in death by digital for accountancy as we know it. However, the COVID-19 outbreak and other recent occurrences have proven that, like other professionals, rather than focusing on replacement, accountants should prioritize adaptation to innovative technologies and change business environments. There is no doubt that the digital revolution has significantly altered the business landscape. The use of big data has become an essential tool for achieving success in the market. However, for businesses ready to adopt digital technologies, this transition is an opportunity rather than a risk. For instance, centralizing data management, especially when using cloud technologies, improves communication and collaboration while reducing wastage costs. Data collection, access, sharing, and analysis are made simpler by standardization and a coherent data sphere. As data silos are broken down, transparency increases, and the data quality improves rather than degrades as data volumes increase. Like how automation reduces human error and removes time-consuming manual tasks like data entry and three-way matching, it also lowers costs. As Michael Higgins previously mentioned, article states, it drives straight through processing, and rather than replacing human accountants, it frees them to focus on strategic tasks requiring creativity, collaboration, and ingenuity, services AI cannot, as yet, reliably provide. However, AI can perform tasks such as data analysis, which are often considered menial. By transforming raw data into more comprehensible formats and setting up strong links across various data sources. For instance, accountants can leverage their innate human skills to integrate quality data awareness into more efficient fiscal reporting and planning processes. They can collaborate with coworkers from different business divisions to develop supply chains that are more resilient and adaptable, use financial data to drive innovation, and develop business management strategies that enable continuity and growth in an integrated environment. Introducing additional technologies into the mix only amplifies the potential benefits. Virtual, augmented, and mixed reality technologies are no longer confined to the realm of video games. They are poised to offer novel avenues for data exploration, analysis, and sharing. These technologies will pioneer innovative process optimizations and establish connections between finance and strategic planning. According to the article by Michael Higgins, 71% of U.S. managers are either already utilizing some form of virtual reality or planning to integrate it within the next 3 to 5 years. While blockchain has already gained recognition for its supply chain or optimization potential, its application in accounting is equally compelling. Accounting professionals who possess expertise in distributed ledger technologies and can effectively utilize and educate others about them will be in high demand for various tasks, including process development, auditing, and records management. When it comes to tax accountancy, there are major areas tax professionals should consider because of the emergence of innovative information technology. The cloud and collaborative tools come first. Digital sheets now make sharing and editing simpler. As Andrew Kenny's article in the Journal of Accountancy titled "What Tax Firms Need to Know About Technology" states, online document management portals allow clients and colleagues to quickly exchange and organize documents. The invoicing, payment, and review of comments are made simpler on other digital platforms. There is less need for in-house hardware because cloud software enables access to data and applications from anywhere at any time. As the previously mentioned Journal of Accountancy article explains, some firms are using robotic process automation (RPA) software that can automatically click through software interfaces to translate information between programs. RPA has the potential to replace many basic data input tasks, which, when combined with other automation and outsourcing efforts, suggest that the tax practice industry is shifting towards a model where fewer tasks are performed by employees and more are handled by technology. The tasks that are straightforward and repetitious are those that are most likely to be automated or outsourced. Hence, the organizations of the future will compete based on their capacity to control automation and outsourcing, as well as their ability to provide specialized products or valuable information. Tax accounting organizations will need to consider three main focuses when it comes to employee recruitment and training. Those three focuses need to be process analysis, data analysis, and communication. Experts in task and procedure administration will be capable of integrating modern technologies into the process analysis workflow. Through the use of existing and newly created software tools like Microsoft Excel, SAP, or other information technology tools, personnel can analyze data to enhance procedures and determine where technology can be incorporated. They may now give deeper, non-automatic insights, which is another benefit. Finally, when it comes to communication, tax CPAs must select the best strategies for sharing knowledge in an approach that is positive to the clientele. Companies should provide training to their personnel to ensure they are flexible and possess extensive expertise. Small businesses have also felt the impact of the evolution of information technology in accounting. While most small businesses may not be capable of paying for an in-house accountant, technology allows the possibility for business owners to easily and efficiently hire an expert to manage their money. The information that follows will show how small firms can collaborate with an independent accountant and support their corporate financial goals by using information technology. The development of the accounting and tax software has simplified the full practice of accounting and taxes. As Kimberly Leonard explains in her article titled "How is Information Technology Used in Accounting?", most accounting software integrates with most corporate tax software, which means that the data is quickly segmented and categorized in the appropriate tax categories. This fact maximizes accuracy while also speeding up the tax preparation process. If the information is categorized in a proper manner, the information that will enter the tax software system will be inputted accordingly. A full-time internal accountant is not always necessary for small business owners. Internet and information technology improvements allow a virtual account to succeed on par with a physical one. The cost and travel time associated with this technique of doing business is reduced. Information technology reduces overheads by bringing accounts closer to firms' accounts without forcing them to travel, which results in cost savings for business owners. Because main accounting applications and banks can be synchronized with a few mouse clicks, the availability of bank intelligence also plays a part. As Kimberly Leonard writes in the previously mentioned article, online accessibility provides the bank information to the accountant as soon as it is available, which streamlines the process of monthly bank account balancing. The single line items that the account needs to investigate are those that do not make sense. Updating business records lowers expenditures for the organization and makes the accountant's job easier during tax season. Access to various business documents is necessary for accountants. Previously, when accounting was done remotely, it was quite time consuming and labor intensive for both parties to access this data. With the use of signature and imaging tools, files can be uploaded to and kept on the cloud. Customers may update the information and sign it as needed. For instance, even if a Form W-9 was not signed when an employee was employed, it is still needed for payroll records. If the employee can sign documents, the accountant can email them and request a digital signature. While keeping in line with IRS laws, this procedure is simple and saves time for everyone. Electronic document scanners and their signing is an ability and an additional information technology technique that shortens the accounting practice for the accounting profession and small organization processors. The skill set and work description for an accountant in the future will both be significantly extended while adhering to the profession's basic skills. With the use of technology and working in a collaborative atmosphere, accounting teams will be made up of motivated accounting specialists and topic issue specialists from additional spots of the organization. Forthcoming accountants may execute the function as consultants, collaborating with specialists in business intelligence and procurement to create a tactical sourcing strategy. The C-suite may use data administration instruments as an enhanced reality to add context and individual expenditure information so they can make improved conclusions based on long-standing value as opposed to minimal returns on investment. Accountants can contribute their knowledge to teams in other business divisions by offering essential financial intelligence, enhancing budgeting, or guaranteeing compliance thanks to their more varied skill sets and increased technical aptitude. To plug the openings in their information technology tree or to find the abilities and assets needed to add to their internal personnel, firms may very well turn to strategic outsourcing. With an emphasis on lifetime learning and skill development needed to manage needed to manage a tough, continuously changing corporate environment, accounting as a professional function might transition away from perfecting the person's ability through credentials and towards essential capabilities that appear over time. Accountants are likely to be liberated rather than constrained by automation and other data-driven technology. Companies that see the promise and implications of these tools and spend funds on the tools and guidance needed to support their accounts to fully use them will be in the lead. Accounts of the future will contribute more creatively and strategically to their organizations. As a result, their companies will have more productive workflows, gain more insightful data from their accounting procedures, and improve their own adaptability, competitiveness, and resilience. In today's episode, we've delved into the dynamic world of accounting and its vital connection to information technology. From automating routine tasks to providing real-time financial insights, IT has revolutionized the way accountants work, making their jobs more efficient and effective. We have delved into the crucial role of information technology in the world of accounting, and it is clear that technology has revolutionized this field in more ways than we can imagine. From automating routine tasks to enhancing data security and enabling real-time financial insights, the impact of IT on accounting is undeniable. As I have discussed, embracing technology isn't just a choice, it is a necessity for accountants and businesses alike. It is not about replacing accounts with machines, but about equipping professionals with powerful tools that can amplify their capabilities and provide more value to clients and organizations. As we have seen, the synergy between accounting and information technology isn't just about convenience, but also about accuracy and compliance. With ever-evolving regulations and standards, having the right technology stack is essential to staying competitive in the business and world. Furthermore, the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchains, and data analytics is reshaping the accounting landscape. These innovations not only streamline processes, but also enable accountants to provide more strategic and value-added services to their clients and organizations. In the end, it is clear that the future of accounting relies on embracing the possibilities that information technology offers. By staying up to date with the latest tools and trends, accountants can position themselves as trusted advisors who guide businesses through an era of digital transformation. Whether you're an accounting professional, a business owner, or someone interested in the field, understanding the significance of IT in accounting is paramount. The fusion of technology and accounting is an ongoing journey, and staying updated with the latest trends and innovations will be essential for success. We hope this podcast has shed light on the ever-evolving landscape of accounting in the digital age and the endless opportunities it presents. As we wrap up, we encourage our listeners to continue exploring this dynamic intersection of information technology and accounting, adapt to change, and leverage the power of IT to excel in their careers or businesses. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and remember, the future of accounting is being shaped by technology, and those who embrace it will lead the way. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep harnessing the power of information technology to transform the world of accounting. As we wrap up this episode, we encourage our listeners to explore further, adapt to change, and harness the power of information technology to excel in the realm of accounting. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on the intersection of technology and accounting in future episodes. Until then, keep innovating, keep learning, and keep growing in this exciting digital age. This is Victor Hernandez signing off, and we'll catch you in the next episode. The sources used throughout this podcast have been added to in the assignment submission and have been added to the description of this podcast video on YouTube. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this podcast on the impact information technology and IT has had on the accounting profession and the industry as a whole. Thank you again for listening, and I appreciate your time.